Gang, we in this thing once again. You see, I got the bike bagged out a little bit. Because we about to put this bad boy on right here. Your boy got that exhaust. So that stock exhaust about to be poof, gone. You hear what I'm saying? RLS exhaust came through, hooked your boy up. So I'm about to take this stock exhaust off. And you can see I got it bagged out a little bit. Over the curves I can get down there. But I'm gonna keep the cat. That big old thing, that's the cat right there. So that's gonna stay there. I'm not taking that off. But you could probably, where is it? I can't see that shit. Look, that little circle thing right there. Trying to see if I can get y'all better. There you go. Yeah, just like that. That little circle thing right there. That's where we about to make the swap at. So I'm about to take that off. Take this stock exhaust off and put the other exhaust on. Yes, sir.
What up, man?
Alright, so we done took it off. Big motherfucker. Heavy and fatty hell.
Yeah, big difference.
But what you gotta do, this right here is screw it on. So you gotta take this, unscrew this bolt all the way, well, halfway. And I used a 13mm socket. And if you want to use a wrench, get your what this on here? It's a half. I got it upside down. Half. Get your half. It fit right in there real good and tight. So weight comparison. This is lighter than this. This is heavy. This had to be, gotta be about 5 pounds. I think about 5 pounds. 10 pounds. It's heavy. So now we're about to put that bad boy on. Be right back. Got it on there. That bit look nice. I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, make sure you screw that in. Focus. 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 Yeah, make sure you, yeah, whatever. Make that, nope. But anyway, make sure you screw it in tight, because you want it to be on there. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be getting down through there and it pop off. It's going to be a bad time. So make sure you screw it on there tight. Yeah, it's tight. I can't even put my thumb through that mug. Alright, baby, we finished out.
So you guys, like, he really flying. All right, here you go.
saw from the clips, right? I still like both. The stock exhaust, this one right here, it give a fuller sound, and that's because, in my opinion, it has all this right here. It got different layers in there, right? So it keep it from being obnoxiously loud. So I guess that adjusts the sound, so it sounds full, but it's not as loud. You know what I'm saying? So like, if you're not right up on me, you won't really hear it. You kind of hear me coming, but you won't hear me coming. And then with the RLS exhaust, it's just a straight pipe. That's just straight pipe. You know what I'm saying? It's loud. And I was going for loud anyway. So if you go back and look at the videos of the flybys and everything, if you had your headphones on, you put headphones on with it, then you can hear me down the street coming up. You might not hear that on a laptop. Like I couldn't hear it on my laptop. When I put my headphones on, I could hear everything. So you can hear me coming up the street before I even got close to the camera or whatever. But I was going for loud anyway because I want my bike to be louder, and it sounds so good to me. Like my wife, she still like the stock exhaust. She like the way it sounds. She said it sounds fuller, but that's okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm going for loud. I want my bike to be loud. I don't know if I'm gonna take the cat off yet. That's only because I still got the warranty on my bike, and I'm too lazy to put the cat right back on to go get warranty work. So I have no idea if I'm gonna do that. So we won't know. But other than that, I like the sound. It sounds great. Ricky is the boy. He the GOAT. He the GOAT for this exhaust, bro. He the GOAT. Like, this the best looking exhaust, and it's loud. And I like the way it sounds. My wife was like, she hear me when I'm coming, when I'm on it. It's loud. It's real loud, and it sounds good. So other than that, man, I'm gonna put the link to his website down below, and check him out. You know how to put it on now. Remember I told you gotta take this off right here, and it's just a little bolt that you gotta unscrew right there. Unscrew the little bolt, and you can pull your exhaust off. Forgot to tell you, you come out these holes too. You can take your exhaust off, get your RLS, slip on, put that thing on, and let's rock. But other than that, like I said, I like the RLS over the stock because it's louder, and I was going for loud. Even though the stock still give you a fuller sound, the RLS to me is louder and it sounds better. It make my bike sound like a bike. You know what I'm saying? Not nothing too different. A bike, like actual bike. So I like that. So other than that, and we out, bro.